and I've heard this before and it's so true. It's like, we're not responsible for what happened to us as children, but as adults, we are responsible for what we do with it.
Absolutely. You're not responsible for the trauma of your childhood, but as an adult, it's your responsibility to handle your crap
Right.
and get yourself fixed right, right? Like it's you know, one of the I had a man. I'm at the gym 5 days a week, so the guys come at me. They know what I'm up to, right?
Yeah.
So, and one guy's like, you know, got a he's a boy. He got his girlfriend pregnant. She has to work, so they're doing the shit show, right? They're gonna be stuff that's gonna like she's gonna resent him so quickly because he
Yeah.
doesn't
Yeah.
work and he's soft, and she's in the survival mode.
Hmm.
And he's like, I got her pregnant. I'm like, really? Like, are you just like doing it on purpose? Like, are you like, how much trauma and how
Yeah.
much like hurt and pain do you want to keep, building? And he goes, well, because I'm kind of fucked. I go, unfuck yourself, motherfucker. Like,
Yeah.
it's time to unfuck yourself.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you're right, you're fucked, but you got to man up. You got to step up. You got to do something. You got to protect her. You got to protect that kid. You got to make her feel safe. You got to get to work and handle your stuff. Like you have a kid coming now. It's not about you.
It's so
And I
true
think
that we do that. We have something come at us like that, and we just go, "Oh, okay, well,
I
I'm
guess that's
I'm
what I
stuck
got.
with this," and don't even try to make it a better situation.
Mm. I
Don't
know it's
see
it's and on men it's really unattractive. You know what I
it
mean? Like
is.
to play victim, to play weak, to play at like how many guys again because the culture has them shamed out of being masculine, so they
Yeah.
lean back and also no daddy role models, so they don't know how to be men. So
Right.
they're feminized. They're too much in their feelings. They talk too much. They don't lean in. They don't know how to be men. They don't know what's appropriate, right? And I go like I do a lot of men's work, and I've been in men's mentoring programs that I lead with other men, and these are all the guys that are coming. They feel weak, they feel powerless, they're depressed, they're
Yeah.
anxious because of it, right? Like a woman working too much, a guy not working enough. It's the same reaction, by the way.
Yeah.
Same depression, same anxiety, and same damage on the body long term. And but like stupid stuff like so. I don't have a job. Why don't you get a job? "Well, I don't feel like it." Wow. They say this out loud. Like, I don't feel like it.
Well, at least they're
Why'd you
being
get fired?
honest.
No, but because that's why they're there in the group, right? Trying to get their life together. But like they're so feminized, they leave through their feelings and they wonder why life is difficult. And like, so that's where we go into like, unfuck yourself, dude. It's on
Yeah.
you. You're the man. You have the testosterone in the balls. Go.
Yeah.
Conquer your fears, conquer your trauma, conquer everything you have to conquer so you can actually get some self respect and be able to be respected by the men and women out there in the culture. Like it's like do the hard work, and this is when the rewards come in, and the whole
Yeah.
world goes, "Wow, way to go! You did it! Wow, way to go!"
Yeah.
Right? That's that's a good goal to shoot for, right? As opposed to being passive, letting go. I don't feel like
Giving
it.
up.
You don't understand how hard it is for me, really. I don't understand how it's hard. Yeah, you're right. I've never been to anything hard. I just my whole life has been a gift. Get
Yeah.
the hell out of here. We all have to do it, right? I don't feel like it. Doesn't cut it for man.
Well, and we have beaten men down pretty hard, and
That's what I'm
and then
saying.
now
Yeah,
we're turned off by them
hard.
because they're
Too
not
soft.
strong men.
They're too
Yeah, they're
soft.
too soft.
They're too
Yeah.
soft. You
Yeah.
can't respect a soft man. Nobody can respect a soft man. Men don't, and women sure don't feel safe with them because who's going to
No,
protect me? Not him. And if you consider your safety is constantly on your radar, that's
it
why they get
is.
friend zone. And the guy's like, I don't understand. I'm a nice guy. No, you're weak.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
You got to step it up, dude. You have to step it up.
So true.